Escape the paycheck prison, your roadmap to financial freedom. Meet Sarah from Portland. She and her partner make $74,000 a year with minimal debt, just a mortgage and small car loan. Yet despite this seemingly comfortable income, they constantly find themselves counting days until the next payday, wondering where their money vanishes. Their financial snapshot: monthly income after taxes, $5,800. Housing costs, $1,650. Car payment, $225. Remaining funds, approximately $3,925. The question that keeps Sarah awake at night and might sound familiar to you: why does nearly $4,000 seem to evaporate each month? Without a structured approach to managing finances, money tends to slip through invisible cracks. This phenomenon affects households across all income brackets. The Wilson family earns $92,000 annually, yet struggles with constant financial stress. When they finally tracked their spending meticulously for 1 month, they discovered over $950 going to food delivery and dining out, an amount they had mentally categorized as occasional treats. Jennifer, earning $67,000 in her marketing position, was stunned to find she was allocating $285 monthly to various subscriptions. Many she barely used or had forgotten entirely. Ryan and Miguel consistently under-budgeted for groceries by nearly 40%, allocating $600 but regularly spending closer to $850. Creating a comprehensive spending plan doesn't restrict your lifestyle, it illuminates it. Most people who implement detailed tracking experience what feels like discovering hidden income. Why most budgeting attempts collapse. 1. Reactive rather than proactive planning, making financial decisions after money is already spent. 2. Household financial misalignment, family members operating with different financial priorities. 3. The chronic underestimation syndrome, consistently allocating less than actual spending in key categories. 4. Financial blind spots, significant sums disappearing into uncategorized spending. The Awakening, your 3-phase financial reset. Phase 1. Conduct a financial discovery investigation. Gather your financial statements from the past quarter. Create categories and calculate totals for each housing, which includes mortgage or rent, utilities, and maintenance. Transportation includes vehicle payments, fuel, insurance, and upkeep. Nutrition should be broken down into separate grocery and dining out expenses. Entertainment encompasses streaming services, memberships, and leisure activities. Personal purchases cover clothing, household items, and online shopping. Wellness involves insurance, prescriptions, and fitness. Miscellaneous is for everything else. The dining reality check. Many discover they're, consuming their future security. As one financial workshop participant realized, we've been spending over $1,000 monthly on restaurants and takeout. I finally understand why we can't save for retirement. We're literally eating away our future. Remember, when dining out, you're primarily paying for convenience and experience. The actual food cost represents a small fraction of your bill. Phase 2. Establish a proactive money management system. The fundamental principle: direct your money intentionally before each month begins. 1. Document all expected income. 2. List all fixed obligations like mortgage, loan payments, and insurance. 3. Allocate for variable necessities such as groceries, utilities, and fuel. 4. Designate funds for financial advancement, which includes debt reduction and an emergency fund. 5. Then determine what remains for discretionary spending. Expert advice. For first-time grocery budgeters, deliberately overestimate. If your gut says $550, allocate $800. You can adjust downward later, but underestimating will derail your entire plan before you've begun. Phase 3. Implement targeted cash management for high-risk categories. For areas where overspending is chronic: 1. Convert your budgeted amount to cash at month's beginning. 2. Distribute into labeled envelopes: groceries, dining, personal spending. 3. When funds are depleted, spending in that category stops until next month. Digital alternative. Several financial apps offer virtual envelope features for those preferring cashless management. Practical strategies for spending control. The Supermarket Success Plan. 1. Eat before shopping. Prevents impulse purchases driven by hunger. 2. Create detailed shopping lists based on meal planning. 3. Purchase only what appears on your list. 4. Maintain unwavering commitment to your predetermined budget. The Restaurant Reformation Strategy. 1. Transform dining out from routine to special occasion. 2. Incorporate restaurant visits as planned, budgeted events. 3. Explore creative alternatives. Gourmet home cooking nights, cooking clubs, meal exchanges. The subscription streamlining process. 1. Catalog every recurring payment. 2. Eliminate services unused within recent weeks. 3. Optimize remaining subscriptions like family plans or annual versus monthly subscriptions. 4. Schedule regular reviews to prevent accumulation of new services. The partnership principle. Financial progress requires alignment between household members. 1. Implement brief weekly financial check-ins. 2. Schedule monthly planning sessions. 3. Establish individual spending thresholds, meaning amounts each can spend without consultation. 4. Recognize and celebrate progress, regardless of scale. The partnership principle. Financial progress requires alignment between household members. 1. Implement brief weekly financial check-ins. 2. Schedule monthly planning sessions. 3. Establish individual spending thresholds, amounts each can spend without consultation. 4. Recognize and celebrate progress, regardless of scale. The mindset transformation. Breaking free from financial constraints requires psychological shifts alongside practical changes. The essential realization intentionality with resources creates freedom, not restriction. This intentionality means prioritizing expenditures that align with your values, declining spending that doesn't serve your goals, developing clarity about the difference. Your 30-day financial liberation plan. 1. Days 1 to 3. Compile all financial statements from the previous quarter. 2. Days 4 to 7. Analyze spending patterns by category. 3. Day 8. Identify your 3 most problematic spending areas. 4. Days 9 to 10. Design your first comprehensive spending plan. 5. Days 11 to 30. Record every transaction daily. 6. Day 30. Review progress, refine approach, and create next month's plan. Resources for your journey. Financial management tools, personal finance apps, spreadsheet templates, or specialized budgeting software. Tracking options. Digital platforms, customized spreadsheets, or traditional paper records. Support systems, financial education courses, community workshops, accountability partners. The promise of financial clarity. The transformation from financial chaos to control creates an experience similar to receiving a substantial raise, because effectively, that's what happens. You'll discover resources you didn't realize you had. You'll experience freedom you previously thought impossible. Most significantly, you'll replace financial anxiety with confidence and direction. Resources for your journey. Financial management tools like personal finance apps, spreadsheet templates, or specialized budgeting software. Tracking options include digital platforms, customized spreadsheets, or even traditional paper records. Support systems can be financial education courses, community workshops, or accountability partners. The promise of financial clarity. The transformation from financial chaos to control creates an experience similar to receiving a substantial raise, because effectively, that's what happens. You'll discover resources you didn't realize you had. You'll experience freedom you previously thought impossible. Most significantly, you'll replace financial anxiety with confidence and direction. When you direct every dollar with purpose and intention, money stops disappearing and starts working for your future.